Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear students, in this video I am going to cover the Unit 5 Indigo written by Louis Fisher from the book Flamingo of Class 12 English. Dear students, if you really want to be thorough in this chapter, then please watch this video till the end. In this video I am going to cover all the textual MCQs of the chapter number 5 Indigo. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the MCQs. First MCQ, who has penned the report Indigo? The right answer of the question number 1 is D, Louis Fisher. The answer is right given here. Second, dash is an excerpt from the book The Life of Mahatma Gandhi by Louis Fisher. The right answer, of course, A. Second का answer है A, Indigo is an excerpt from the book Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Third, Louis Fisher met Gandhi ji in dash at his ashram in Sevagram in central India. थर्ड का आंसर है 1942 बी. लुइस फिशर मेट गांधी जी इन 1942. सो थर्ड बी. फोर्थ वन, लुइस फिशर मेट गांधी जी इन 1942 एट दिस आश्रम इन डैश इन सेंट्रल इंडिया. फोर्थ का आंसर है सी, सेवाग्राम. फिफ्थ, गांधी जी अर्ज्ड द डिपार्चर ऑफ ब्रिटिश इन 1917 B. Sixth question, Gandhiji attended the 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in dash. Sixth का आंसर है C, लखनऊ. The annual convention of Indian National Congress Party was attended by dash. Seventh, the right answer is 2301. That is D. Seventh, during the proceedings at Lucknow, a peasant named Dash came to meet Gandhi. The answer of eighth question is B, Rajkumar Shukla. Eighth B. Question number 9. The peasant who came to visit Gandhi said he had come from Dash district. Ninth का आंसर है A, चंपारण. 10th, Rajkumar Shukla was a dash sharecropper, politician, delegate, landlord. The right answer of 10th is A, sharecropper. 11, Rajkumar Shukla was dash. 11th, क्या थे वो? Poor, physical strong, illiterate or emaciated. So of course he was poor, he was illiterate and fourth emaciated. Physically strong वो नहीं थे. तो right answer है 1, 3 and 4. So that is D option. So 11th का आंसर है D. 12th, Champaran was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of dash. Champaran was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas. 12 का आंसर है D, नेपाल. 13, under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were debtors, sharecroppers, creditors or none of the above. 13 का right answer है B, sharecroppers. 14, Rajkumar Shukla, who was a farmer, was illiterate but staunch, inflexible, resolute. D, unbending. 14 का राइट आंसर है रेजोल्यूट. 15, हु सेड फिक्स अ डेट? गांधी, राजकुमार शुक्ला, राजेंद्र प्रसाद और JB कृपलानी. 15 का राइट आंसर है राजकुमार शुक्ला, B. 16, आफ्टर गांधी अराइव्ड, शुक्ला टुक हिम टू द हाउस ऑफ लॉयर नेम्ड डैश. 16 का राइट आंसर. ओके, जब गांधी जी आए थे तो शुक्ला जी उनको कहाँ लेकर गए थे? कौन से लॉयर के पास? ए, राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी के पास. 17, बिफोर गोइंग टू चंपारण, गांधी जी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू डैश टू गेट मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट कंडीशन ऑफ शेयर क्रॉपर्स एंड दैट इज सी, मुजफ्फरपुर. नंबर 18, गांधी सेंट अ टेलीग्राम टू डैश इन मुजफ्फरपुर बिफोर रीचिंग देयर. The right answer of question number 18 is D, JB Kriplani. So Gandhi sent a telegram to J.B. Kriplani in Muzaffarpur. 19. Gandhi had met Dash, who was from Muzaffarpur, at Tagore Shanti Niketan School. The right answer, Gandhiji had met, of course, A. J.B. Kriplani. 20. Gandhi arrived at midnight at Muzaffarpur on 15th March, 15th April, 14th April or 14th March? 15th April 1917. B. 20 का आंसर है B. Next, 21. Gandhiji stayed at the home of Dash at Muzaffarpur. Maulana Mazharul, Professor J.B. Kriplani, Professor Malkani or Brij Kishore Babu. Right answer is C. Professor Malkani. 21 C. 22. Dash was a teacher in government school in Muzaffarpur. Professor Malkani. 22 C. 23. Who said it was an extraordinary thing in those days for a government professor to harbor a man like me? 23 का right answer है B. Gandhiji said this. It was an extraordinary thing in those days for a government professor to harbor a man like me, Gandhi said. 24. Dash from Champaran began arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their champion Gandhi. Dash from Champaran. 24 का right answer है C. Sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot. 25th. Gandhi dash the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. 25th का right answer है B. Chided. 25th. Gandhi chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. 26. The English landlords compelled the Indian tenants to plant 3/20th or dash of their holdings with indigo and surrender the entire indigo harvest as rent. 26 का आंसर है 15% C. 27 question. The English landlords learned that Dash had developed synthetic indigo. 27 right answer is D. Germany had developed the synthetic indigo. Question number 28. The English landlords obtained agreements from the sharecroppers to pay them Dash for being released from the 15% arrangement. A. Reward, B. Compensation, C. Damages or D. Penalty. The right answer for the question number 28 is B. Compensation. The English landlords obtain agreements from the sharecroppers to pay them compensation for being released from the 15% arrangement. 29. The sharecropping arrangement was dashed to the peasant and many signed willingly. 29. A. Irritating, B. Infuriating, C. Irksome and D. Inflaming. The right answer of question number 29 is C. Irksome. Sharecropping arrangements was irksome to the peasants. 30. To get more facts about Champaran sharecroppers, Gandhi first visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association. 30 का आंसर है D. 31. Gandhi called on the British official commissioner of the Tirhut. Gandhi called the British official commissioner of the Tirhut. 31 का आंसर है C. Tirhut division in which the Champaran district lay. 32. Instead of leaving Tirhut as advised by the commissioner, Gandhiji proceeded to dash to the capital of Champaran. 32 का right answer है B. Motihari. Instead of leaving Tirhut as advised by the commissioner, Gandhiji proceeded to Motihari, the capital of Champaran. So 32 का right answer है B. 33. What was the beginning of the liberation of the fear of British? The right answer. What was the beginning of the liberation of the fear of British? The right answer is D. Their dishonoring the sharecropping arrangements. Try to remember this answer. 34. In Gandhi's conflict of duties, on one hand it was of breaking the law and the other one was dash. 34 का राइट आंसर है सी, humanitarian and national service. 35 dash was not one of the prominent lawyers who arrived from Bihar and conferred with Gandhi. 35 का राइट आंसर है बी, JB Kriplani. 36 when did Gandhi ji exclaim that the battle of Champaran was won? 36 का राइट आंसर है when the other lawyers were ready to follow him into jail. 36 D. 37 question, after the civil disobedience triumph, Gandhi and the lawyer wrote down depositions by about dash peasants as evidence. 37, the right answer of 37 is 5,000, 10,000, 1,000, 15,000. The right answer is B, 10,000. 37 B. 38, in dash Gandhi was summoned to Sir Edward Gate, the Lieutenant Governor, in June, July, May, April. 38 का राइट आंसर है इन जून, ए. 39, Gandhi remained in Champaran for an initial uninterrupted period of dash months. 39 का राइट आंसर है period of 7 months, C. 40, who said but how much must we pay? The right answer of 40, B, big planters. 40 का आंसर है B, big planters. Who said this but how much must we pay? Big planters, B. 41, dash observed the entire episode of Champaran at close range. 41 का राइट आंसर है D, Reverend J.Z. Hodge. 41 D. 42, which young disciples of Gandhi volunteered for social work at Champaran? 42 right answer A, Mahadev Bhai Desai and Narhari Parikh. So these were the two young disciples of Gandhi volunteer for social work at Champaran, Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parikh. 42 A. 43, Gandhi's youngest son dash also came to Champaran to help. Very important question. 43 का right answer है C, Devadas. 44, Kasturbai taught ashram rules on dash to the ladies in Champaran. 44 का right answer है C, personal cleanliness and community sanitation, C. 45, with the efforts of Gandhi, primary schools were opened in dash villages in Champaran. 45 का right answer है B, 6, in 6 villages in Champaran. So primary schools were opened. 46, dash was the turning point in Gandhiji's life. Very important, that is D, Champaran episode was the turning point in Gandhiji's life. 46 का आंसर है D. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ही है. 47, dash did not begin as an act of defiance for Gandhi. 47, the right answer of 47 is B, Champaran episode. 47 B. Champaran episode did not begin as an act of defiance for Gandhi. 48, dash was an attempt to alleviate the distress of large number of poor peasant. 48 का आंसर है B, Champaran episode. 49, Gandhi's politics was not a loyalty to dash but a loyalty to living human beings. 49 का right answer है C, abstractions. Gandhi's politics was not a loyalty to abstractions but a loyalty to living human beings. 49 C. Charles, question number 50, Charles Freer Andrews was the English dash who became a devoted follower of the Mahatma. The right answer of question number 50 is B, pacifist. 51, Andrews had come to bid Gandhi farewell before going on a tour of duty to the dash. 51 right answer is C, Fiji. 52, Rajendra Prasad said that Gandhi by not accepting help of Andrews taught them a lesson in? The right answer of 52 is C, self-reliance. 53. The peasants in India are described as dash by Louis Fisher. The right answer of 53 is poor and emaciated. A. 54. In the story Indigo, who commented he had read our minds correctly? 54. The right answer of 54 is B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 55. The last question of the chapter number 5 Indigo. Rajkumar Shukla is described to be the one with resolute belief. What is the meaning of resolute? Very nice question, and the meaning of resolute is D, one with firm purpose or belief. D, 55 D. So I hope, dear students, that this chapter, this video was really very helpful to you people. If you really enjoyed this video, then please do hit the like. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Jai Hind.